All right, Dilla.
What is up, boys? Good morning or good afternoon. I got these for my Civic, boys. I've never had some 659s in the back, so I had to go for it. You already know, Pioneer, the 5-way speakers. Look at the part number.
Wow.
The part number.
Recognize it?
So these ones, I think they're fairly new. I think.
Yeah, it's barely launched. Yeah, like a year.
I think a year. I'm not too sure, but.
Probably a couple months.
These were probably these are the best of the A series.
Best of the best.
Plus, guys, there's a better one, supposedly A series Max, but I didn't really like how they looked, and I wanted a 5-way. These see right here, 750 Max, and then the RMS. It says in the back, guys, it's 150 RMS. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, they can see it. They just pause the video right
Yeah,
here.
150. But these guys,
wow,
these costed me like 120, boys, on Amazon, obviously. Supposedly they're on discount, but you guys already know how that works. 120. Had to go for the Pioneers, guys.
So guys, this isn't a cheap video. This is actually just now like quality.
Yeah, I'm gonna. All right. Hopefully these are nice, so I can actually keep them. But if you guys have better suggestions,
they better be.
Dude, I want to open them, dude. Let's just open them.
Let's open them. Mosca. Oh, I ran away. Alrighty.
Oh my goodness.
So, you better be careful with these. This is straight gold.
Dude, they're literally
best of the best.
They're literally gold, guys. Look at that. So, they're not the red that you guys usually see. So
1 year warranty, which we're not going to need.
1 year warranty.
Better last more than a year. Okay.
Connectors,
come with bolts.
Some hardware.
Wow.
Okay, let's pull these babies out.
Here we go.
God. Yo, dude, look at them, dude.
Wow.
So supposedly there's nothing else in the box.
Nothing else. Okay. That's all that comes in.
Supposedly the magnet's pretty huge, guys. So we'll see right now how big they are.
Let's see. Come on, Dilla. Come on, Dilla. They're anxious.
Has tape.
Has tape? Oh.
I need your.
There we go.
I don't have my knife, guys.
Mijo. Wait, hold on. It came in. So now Dilla Donger just finished cutting the tape. Dun, 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 dun.
Dude,
wow.
This is pretty big magnet. Holy
wow.
Crap.
Dude.
Damn, dude. Oh, they have a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
Look at these, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Look at these babies. Yo, they're pretty cool, dude.
Quality. Dude, that's like cool. It's got like a gold, silverish color to it.
Look at that.
Wow. Nice, dude. This is like top-notch quality.
Look at the fat old magnet it has, dude. Looks kind of weird. Dude, it's pretty heavy. Look here.
Oh. Yo, this thing weighs. Oh, yeah, it weighs, guys. Wow, look at that.
So obviously
4 ohm impedance, 750 watt max, and 150 RMS. This thing weighs almost 30 ounces, right?
Yeah, almost 30 ounces the magnet, supposedly. Dude.
Made in Vietnam, guys.
I don't know about the grill. The grill looks cool. I wish it had a little bit more like this was gold or something. Or
well, for sure, this looks nice.
This looks kind of cool. I think I'm just gonna run it like this.
Most importantly, we want these things to perform.
Dude, I'm wondering how it's gonna perform, dude. I'm wondering. That's what I'm wondering.
Well, dude, they look really nice. I like the way they look gold. Like it's cool that they made them gold. Usually they make them red, but gold just makes it look like it's like something else.
Look at that, dude.
Oh, it's got a bottom base too.
In the back. 4 ohm?
FH series. Or A series. FH.
Dude. They're made in Vietnam, guys. They're not made in China, but if you were to say the same thing.
No, it's different. It's different. Well, that's it. It only came with 1 butt connector. It didn't come with 2 on the other side?
No, that's it.
Shoot. It only came with 1.
No, there should be. There's 4 in there.
Oh, yeah. It's got both of them in 1. Cool. I will.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh my god, dude. They're heavy, bro. Damn. Let's put them in. Let's see
what happens. So we are pumped. We are excited. All right. So let's see if we're gonna be disappointed. All right. So we're gonna be putting some Hardwired by NCS, our very favorites when it comes to testing speakers. Did you flip them? Is the volume even up?
Yeah, it's all the way up.
No, it's not.
Yeah. They're flipped.
He flipped them! Or is it not on rear?
It's on here. No way to rear.
Alright, yeah, we flipped them, guys. Now we gotta find out which one we flipped. Which one did you flip? So, fix the wiring in the back.
We haven't even tested it. Oh. The hell? What was that?
Alright, here we go. Super excited.
Why does it sound so muffled?
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Wait, did you do both?
Hmm?
Did you do both sides?
Yeah. It came to
There's some difficulties, guys. Give us 1 second, guys. There's some difficulties. We think we got it this time. Something to do with the head unit was a little bit off. Settings, it says, you guys will see. But,
let's see.
there we go. Perfect.
Where's the clip at? 32?
32, for you. But not 32, screw it. Quality! Pioneer!
Can you hear me?
That sounds pretty good.
We can reach it.
Alright.
I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's going Escape reality. Hardwired.
They're putting in that work, 6x9. Nice and clear, no nothing. Holy moly, I feel like, oh, they're good, man. They're good. This is no amp yet, just head unit only. And they're loud, they're clear.
Switch.
Freaking good. Hey, these are top notch. Oh, they sound really good. The bump is there, the clarity is there. They get loud, dude. I don't hear nothing. And that's just 6x9 only.
We used to look up at the sky.
Hey, you hear every little
And
thing.
wonder at our place in the stars.
Should we play like
This is the world you've made yourself.
sound? The C, the bass.
Now you have to live in it.
We're gonna play different songs, guys. Just really try.
And raising our sons.
These are nice and clear.
The future is already here. No matter how hard we tried, we're doomed. Sorry, here is life. Brace yourself. I can see the end inside. Three, two, one. Hardwired.
All this torture, dude. Yeah, they can definitely hear your speakers. Definitely hear them.
Dude, those are so cool. Are we showing how they're moving?
No.
Disconnect.
Dude, they're like crisp, clear.
Wow.
La marca.
All right, guys. Ramses B.
In a world of constant evolution, where the line between man and machine begins to blur, a new age of possibility emerges. Where humanity is augmented to achieve what was once thought impossible. Welcome to the age of cybernetics.
Bring on the back. Brilliant minds push the limits of what we thought was possible. Pushing the boundaries of human potential. With technology that advances beyond our wildest dreams. The future is here. We played like 2 songs with vocals and a mix of like highs, lows, you know, a combination of tones, frequencies here, and they sound great. Now we want to try them with some rap music, but we can't find a way to play rap music without getting copyrighted. So we're gonna do a little bit of off-camera listening. It's gonna suck, but trust me, we're gonna give you the honest review on this. So far, dude,
Dude, they're super good.
they're super good.
They're super good.
That's just with this kind of music, guys. I think this is as close as we get with trying to let you guys hear this, because we don't have a way to just cut out the audio and only bass it. It's not a subwoofer, they're speakers. But without further ado, we're gonna find out.
Those
What's
are
so
so
good. So we just finished listening to like 3-4 songs.
Hell of songs,
So many songs off camera. And
dude, they're amazing, dude. Oh my goodness,
they're the best.
dude. They're probably the best. Yeah, they're the best we've tried, dude. I don't know.
I mean, it's kind of unfair because we went from like $50 to a whole $120 speakers.
What was
but
the most expensive ones we tried? Was it the kicker?
kickers?
How much were the kicker ones? I forgot. Dude, they were pricey.
Wait, they were kind of pricey, remember?
We need to remember what it was.
I need to look at a recap. I'll probably find out. I'll find out. They were probably something.
But these are so good.
These are
dude.
for sure really good.
They're really good. I'm
Really good.
I'm actually happy that I was kind of getting worried. I was like, dude, they better perform as well as they costed, bro. Because damn, $120.
And these are not even amplified yet.
They're not amplified
Not
yet.
even a full potential.
I don't even think you need to amplify them. It depends if your
Not
head
like,
unit is.
it's because he's got a good.
I got a pretty good head unit. It's the JVC. It's really good.
So that guy is for sure pumping at least like 70.
This thing was
RMS.
already like $100. It was
Yeah.
like $100-something that head unit. But
Probably pumping a little bit more because those things are moving in the back.
yeah, they're moving back there.
Probably 80, I don't know, but guys, they're really great speakers. So if you guys are wondering or skeptical, or what do you call it, skeptical about getting them or not, or wondering if they're good or not because they're brand new, guys, they're really good.
They're really good.
Really good. And this is just us only installing them with no amp.
Yeah.
So now you guys can just already assume what's going to happen if you put an amp. It's going to sound
Look, they're so good. They're really crisp. They're clear. They're not like
no,
rattling,
none of that,
nothing.
dude. Crisp clear.
And it also has that thumb,
That
dude.
thumb.
If you don't have subwoofers, don't worry, guys.
Hey, these make it
ones
sound like
are
you got one.
they're hella good.
And you can feel it, like it's great.
Yeah,
And oh my goodness.
dude, they're just so good. I like them. I like them.
And we only have the rear speakers right now.
We don't have the rear speakers. Oh yeah.
Anyway, point is, like, we have the front ones off. This thing makes it sound like you don't even need the front ones because they're that loud. But it's that good loud. Like, it's that good, like, you know, high quality, crisp, clear, fidelity sound that, like, dude, it's like, what is this? Like, out of the world type quality. Pioneer really did a great job with their brand new, all mighty 6x9
Dude, they're
redesigned
always really good on
five-way.
their 6x9s, dude. They're
It's
super
good.
good.
But now, rate them, Dilla.
Dude, I'm gonna have to rate them like a 5.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, I'm gonna rate these a 10.
I was gonna say, I'm a 10 out of 10. There's no other, there's nothing now. Nothing other rating.
I think they're worth for the price. Maybe there's something cheaper, better, but
I don't know, dude. Not as good as this.
I just like the brand Pioneer. You know, it's a good like has a good reputation. Pioneer.
We're not being biased, guys.
No,
We're just saying the truth.
It's just they have a good name. You know, I just like them. They're amazing.
These are for sure the best of the best that we've tried.
Yeah.
If we get maybe some other good quality like kickers or something else, Jensen, JBLs, maybe Jensen. Did I say Jensen? JBLs, I meant to say. We can always compare them, but like these are really good, guys. I'm serious. Like, if you guys want to get them, get them. You're not gonna be disappointed.
Dude, there's not a lot of people that have done reviews on these. I could not find someone that did a review on them. So hopefully you guys
We're the
enjoy
first
this video.
ones. We're the first ones.
Yeah, hopefully,
and it's an honest review
It's
too.
an honest review.
Really good quality. Don't hesitate. It's $120. Yes, it's gonna be half your wallet, but guys, quality sound system. And if you have to wait for a month, it doesn't matter because these are literally almost substitute the front ones. They're that good.
Yeah, they're really good.
And they substitute the subwoofer. So like it
Literally.
buys you time to earn
Yeah.
up for the sub and the front speakers.
They're super good. They're probably the best 6x9.
Obviously, if you guys are on a budget, then you guys get the ones at Walmart. Those were also pretty good as well. But
Oh,
if
the
we're
Walmart
comparing
ones,
the
yeah.
Walmart ones with these, no doubt. Like obviously
these
these
are the better
completely knocked them off. But
How much were the ones in Walmart? Like $70?
like I think 60, no, like 50, 60,
Yeah.
around there.
No, I'd save up and get these ones, dude. Definitely, I'd save up and get these ones.
These are really good, and they look nice. And we haven't even amped them yet.
We haven't
Imagine
amped
amping them.
Amping them.
Ooh, it's gonna be.
No, I feel like you don't even have to though. You don't
have to. You don't have to. I didn't do that with the. I have some Pro series on my Integra, and I never amped them, but they're the 6x5s. They're not the 6x9s. These are, dude. They sound great.
They're killer, dude.
So guys, let us know what you guys thought about the video. This was a super out of nowhere, high quality, expensive type speaker that we've got because he's been trying to find speakers for his car.
Yeah, my car didn't have any in the back.
So these are here to stay.
They're here to stay. No, they're here to stay. I'm staying. I'm keeping these. I was like, am I gonna return them? See if I like them or not. But I'm keeping them.
He's keeping them, guys.
these, dude.
Now,
They're really good.
we'll find out what happens next.
Boy.